Hey, everyone! Welcome back to Wonderful Relationship, the go-to space for unlocking the mysteries of attraction and human psychology. Today, we're diving into a captivating topic: how to drive women wild with reverse psychology. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on our mind-expanding content. Now, let's unravel the secrets of reverse psychology that can truly set the stage on fire. Segment 1. Understanding reverse psychology. To kick things off, let's understand what reverse psychology is. It's a powerful psychological technique where you encourage someone to do something by suggesting the opposite. In the realm of dating and attraction, it can be a game changer when used thoughtfully. Segment 2. Playful teasing and challenges. One effective method is through playful teasing and challenges. Instead of expressing overt interest, playfully tease and challenge her. It creates an intriguing dynamic, making her want to prove herself and win your approval. Segment 3. The art of scarcity. Scarcity is a psychological trigger that works wonders. Create an air of scarcity around your time and attention. Let her know you have a full life, and she'll naturally desire to be a valuable part of it. Segment 4. Praise and withdraw. Praise is powerful, but so is strategic withdrawal. Instead of constant affirmation, give genuine praise intermittently. The uncertainty of when the praise will come keeps her on her toes, fueling desire. Segment 5. The subtle ignore technique. Now, let's talk about the subtle ignore technique. It's not about being rude, but selectively giving your attention. When used sparingly, it sparks curiosity and makes her wonder why she's not the center of attention. Segment 6. Creating a challenge. People love challenges, and women are no exception. Frame certain interactions as challenges or adventures. This taps into her natural instinct to conquer and achieve, adding an element of excitement. Segment 7. Fostering independence. Encourage her independence. Instead of being overly available, foster a sense of autonomy. This not only respects her individuality, but also makes you more intriguing as you're not always at her beck and call. Segment 8. The element of surprise. Surprise her with the unexpected. Reverse psychology isn't just about saying no, it's about defying expectations. Keep her guessing, and introduce surprises to keep the relationship dynamic and exciting. Segment 9. Maintaining a cool demeanor. Maintain a cool and composed demeanor. Even in the face of excitement or potential drama, staying calm and collected adds an air of mystery. It leaves her wondering about the emotions beneath the surface. Segment 10. Controlled vulnerability. While reverse psychology often involves maintaining a bit of mystery, controlled vulnerability can be compelling. Share vulnerability strategically, creating a deeper connection and making you more relatable. Segment 11. Encourage decision-making. Encourage her to make decisions. This taps into the psychology of autonomy and control. When she feels empowered to make choices, it adds a layer of independence that can be incredibly attractive. Segment 12. The magnetic pull of unpredictability. Unpredictability is a magnetic force. Keep her guessing about your next move. A touch of unpredictability heightens anticipation and curiosity, making her more invested in the unfolding story. Segment 13. The gentle push and pull. Master the gentle push and pull. Just like waves, relationships benefit from a rhythmic push and pull. Show interest, then create a bit of distance. It's a dance that keeps the energy flowing. Segment 14. Planting seeds of desire. Plant seeds of desire in her mind. Instead of explicitly stating your intentions, drop subtle hints. Let her imagination fill in the gaps, creating a more potent and irresistible allure. Segment 15. The art of delayed gratification. Delayed gratification is a potent weapon. Instead of rushing into things, savor the build-up. The longer the anticipation, the more intense the desire when it's finally fulfilled. Segment 16. Focus on quality, not quantity. Quality over quantity applies here too. Instead of flooding her with attention, focus on creating high-quality interactions. It's about leaving a lasting impression, not just a constant presence. Segment 17. Strategic playfulness. Inject strategic playfulness into your interactions. Playfulness lightens the mood and adds an element of fun. It's an essential tool in the art of reverse psychology, making her associate you with positive and enjoyable moments. Segment 18. Power of subtle contradictions. Subtle contradictions are intriguing. Don't be afraid to express opinions or preferences that subtly contradict hers. It sparks engaging conversations and adds depth to your interactions. Segment 19. Collaborative decision-making. Engage in collaborative decision-making. Whether it's choosing a restaurant or planning an activity, involving her in decision-making fosters a sense of partnership and investment in the relationship. Segment 20. The enigma of unspoken desires. Finally, embrace the enigma of unspoken desires. Not everything needs to be explicitly stated. The allure lies in the unspoken, the desires that linger in the air, creating a magnetic pull that she can't resist. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to drive women wild with reverse psychology. If you found these insights intriguing, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more transformative content. I'm signing off and wishing you all the best in your journey of mastering the art of attraction. Until next time, keep those sparks flying. If you enjoyed this exploration, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming content. Your support means the world to us. Stay tuned for more mind-expanding discussions. Until next time, take care and enjoy the thrilling dance of attraction.